quick list of where I buy acrylic pouring supplies at very reasonable costs. Number 1, Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has an amazing line of paints and canvases called Fine Touch and Master's Touch, and they regularly go on sale every couple of weeks for 50% off. I love the colors they have, and the quality of the canvases seems great. Number 2, Jerry's Artorama. This website is insane. There are so many products on there. I love this website for ordering canvases when I need an unconventional size. They have every single size and style you can possibly want. Number 3, Michael's Craft Stores. I really like Michael's because they, like Hobby Lobby, often have their art supplies on sale, and you can get lots of canvases and paint for pretty cheap. Number 4, Dickblick Art Supply. You can order online or go in person if you have a Dickblick store near you. I really like to go in person to the stores because it's fun to be able to shop around, see and feel the materials, and there's usually someone very knowledgeable to assist me. And number 5, Amazon.com. I don't order my paints on Amazon, but they do have artist paints and canvases there as well. I use Amazon for a lot of my acrylic pouring supplies, such as butane fuel for my artist torch. I even order art resin on there. I order Floetrol, which is my go-to pouring medium. And of course, the perk with Amazon Prime is that you can get your thing in 2 days. If you're interested in a list of all of the helpful items that I personally use to create my art, I have made that into a video, and you will see it on the end screen as well as in the description box below. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for lots more quick answers on all of your fluid art questions. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Take care, God bless, and go make some art.